Weather ahead and icy, snowy conditions. Yes, welcome to Gardening with Ben. It's been absolutely horrendous these last few days with weather. From rain to snow to wind, it's a stormy season. It's predicted at this time of the year, so we've got to get used to it. But we have to work with it. And the way we work with it is that you need to check your structures during the winter month. And make sure that they're all protected and repaired. If you've noticed, I've got all my polytunnel taped up. I usually do that just before the winter comes so that it lasts another year. And touch wood, it's been up 16, 17 years, this polytunnel, and it amazes me how it's still going. But we keep repairing it and it keeps lasting another year. So doing those extra checks on your plot and spending that bit of time and a bit of money buying the tape and repair material, you'll get great rewards from it, and hopefully it will make it last a bit longer. It's also good to check your fruit trees and make sure that branches aren't rubbing against each other, as that can cause damage to them. If you've got tree stakes in, make sure that they're secure and tied up, and again, make sure that the tree is healthy. And looking after those fruit trees will help you in the long term, and it will reward you with getting great produce from it. Also, obviously, if you've got greenhouses, make sure it's got enough clips in it, in the glass, and secured so that the glass doesn't blow out. Even if you've got a million clips around each piece of glass, it will make it last a bit longer, and it'll save you the heartache in the future when a piece of glass might blow out and smash, and it'll take you forever to repair it or get a new piece of glass and sweep up all the mess what it's made. So it's worthwhile doing it, just making sure that extra things are in place. And obviously, if you've got these mini greenhouses like I've got in the background, make sure that they're secured and fastened down and tied as well to a structure, like tie them at the side of a shed or to a fence. Just give them that extra support, and so that they don't blow away. I see so many posts online where people have lost them, or they've blown over and they've lost all the seeds, and it's devastating, especially if you've got all your seeds growing in it for the year ahead and they topple over and blow over and lose them all. It's just that extra bit of time and job and effort doing it, and it's worthwhile in the end. You might think, oh, I'll leave it for another day, and the wind comes, blows it, and you've lost all your seeds, which is absolutely devastating for everybody. So yeah, always be prepared for the winter. It comes every year, so we should be prepared for it, and just spending that bit of extra time, a bit of extra money in securing stuff, and yeah, it's worthwhile in the end. So I hope you found these tips useful, everybody, and as always, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.